y'all, this is Steezilla, and today we are playing Please Don't Touch Anything. I know that I don't know if you're good at this game, but I know a couple things. This game's supposed to be a couple game, and also for one of my friends, he asked me to play Among Us with them. Sorry, dude, not today, maybe tomorrow, okay? You'll know who you are. Okay, so. Hey, man! Man! I need to take a bathroom break. Stay here for a minute. Wait, what's this battle for? Just stay here, I'll be right back. And don't touch anything. Well, let's touch them. I know there's more to it. Yeah. Sorry, world? Restart. Okay, y'all. Yeah, so this is a bit different from VR. Okay, so what if I do it without the Switch? Oh, there's something I can do here. Wait, what's that? Here, I'm gonna try to make this even smaller. Grab your screwdriver. Restart. Now tap it again. One. 2, 1 equals 3. 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. Well, I'm not doing all that math. I'm blowing out the world again. Yeah. Okay, so this says so much. Don't know what that says. Okay, so see, there's so much more to the VR version, but not so much to this version. Hey, I'll try being a mobile YouTuber, okay? You mind telling me where all that is? Wait a minute. Oh man, 111 211. Am I supposed to do something here or just keep on guessing? 213 213 1 2 1 2. Oh, come on, add up 2 each, and that might not make something good, but it might have been the code, okay? I did something in life! I found the screwdriver. Oh, this is easy. Blue. Red, blue. What? Excuse me, sir. I do not like that symbol. Keep pressing this, something else should come out. Sorry, what? Man, yeah, that was the Illuminati's, wasn't it? Yeah, true. Just keep on pressing it. So, three, I don't know. Uh-oh, what did I do? The problem is, am I outside something here? I'm gonna zoom in. Oh, dummy. How dare you? I'm inside. I think 7th grade if you qualify right by now. Okay. How much is there? 3, 2. That's 3, 2. One equal oh, look at those down there. Maybe, okay, y'all, I'm gonna try to get down maybe another, one. Hang on, guys. 1, 2. Four. And just keep on tapping it and it's going to explode on the nice. Yeah, that. I'm so confused. So what if you tap that? Hammer. What if you take this to here? No? Oh, I know what has to be done. I remember seeing this. Ooh, I know exactly what's going to be happening though. I think. You know what? Here, hang on. Yeet. Off of my screen. If y'all ever watched 8-Bit Ryan or anybody like that, yeah, y'all know it's just gonna be going down. Wait, what? Is it? What? What? I know you can do something. But what can you keep on screen? How about you? Yeah, I really am trying. Believe it or not, I'm just not very good at puzzle games. Whoa! I need... Ah, great. Here we go. Wait, what? What if I unscrew TV? Unscrew the TV. What? That's a key. What? Here ain't awesome? Sure is that. Five, 6, 6. What does that do? I mean, I have an idea. Well, patience. Wait, what if I was on to unscrew the button? Oh. What have I done? I mean, at least I got some jams here. Something else happen? Oh. Ah! Get it. Kill it. See what else we those big red buttons. Well, we are doomed. Lesson learned, never take a hammer to a red button. Still, what is that? Is that like a little demon or something? Come out. We have a timer. Oh, it's getting close. It's gonna be so hard. Nope, 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 nope. I'm not gonna be able to do it. I'm not doing it. Yeah. It's not like an Easter egg though. Yeah, I'll be right back when I actually got it. I got it. What are you? What is... What? What happened? I mean, okay, y'all. And this is Diesel sign out. Wait, no. Yeah, y'all, this Diesel sign out. See y'all later. Good boy.